Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Nobody ever loves me like she does. Oh, she does. Yes, she does. And if somebody loved me like she does, oh, she do. Yes, she does. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm in love for the first time. Don't you know it's gonna last? It's a love that lasts forever. It's a love that has no past. Don't let me down. Well, hi there, pluckers. I've Saw Fingers again with you with another classic song from the Beatles, Don't Let Me Down, single guitar arrangement. And I'm in standard tuning, no capos as you can see, and I'm doing it in the same key as the original track. Okay, so like I say, it's for a single acoustic guitar arrangement. Hopefully it's got some nice bits in it for you to get your teeth into. Right, so let's get to it. So it starts off with the riff. So let's get to the riff because it's played quite a few times. I'm playing an open bottom E string to start with, and then we play the riff. Right, so bottom E string on its own, bit of a pause, and then I'm barring the 9th fret of the 5th, 4th and 3rd strings with my first finger. Okay. Hit the bottom E string and you play the 4th and 5th strings together and hammer up from the 9th on the 5th to the 11th on the 5th. Okay, so got that, so it's that. So hit the bottom E string, play the 4th string and the 5th string together and hammer up on the 5th string from the 9th to the 11th fret with the 3rd finger. Okay. Then play the 4th string and the 3rd string barred at the 9th fret together. So we've got that. So bottom E string, then hammering up from the bar on the 9th fret of the 5th string and 4th string, hammer up from the 9th to the 11th fret of the 5th string when you hit the 2 strings together with the 3rd finger. So then play the 4th string and 3rd string barred at the 9th fret. Then what we do is we play the 4th and 3rd strings together and hammer up on the 4th string from the 9th to the 11th fret. So far we've got this. Okay, got that? So I'm now hammering up from on the 4th string from 9 to 11 and playing the 4th string and 3rd string together there, okay? Then take the 3rd finger off and play the 9th fret together of the 4th string and 3rd string barred with the 1st finger. So, got that so far? Okay, then play the 5th string and the fourth string barred together. So now you've got this. That was the fifth string and the fourth string barred at the ninth fret, okay? Then what you do is, whichever finger is more comfortable for you, you need to go up, keep holding that bar where it is, and go up to the, I'm using my third finger, go up to the 12th fret of the fifth string and play it along with the barred first finger on the ninth fret. Right, so it's, so you're playing that 12th fret of the fifth with the ninth fret of the fourth, which is done with first finger. And then move this third finger down one to the 11th fret and play that along with the fifth string and fourth string together. Should end up on that. Okay, so now you've got this very slowly. And then you hit the bottom E string again. Open. Got that? So we just run through that again, but I'll just play it very slowly and then we'll run through it again, okay? Right, so start again. Bottom E string on its own. I'm barring the fifth, fourth and third strings on the ninth fret with my first finger. All the way through this, okay? So hit the bottom E string on its own. Then hit the fifth string and the fourth string together, but hammer up on the fifth string from 9 to 11. Okay? Then play the fourth string and the third string together, but barred at the ninth fret with the first finger. Okay? Then play the fourth string and the third string again, but hammer up on the fourth string from 9 to 11 with the third finger. Okay, like that. So from the beginning, slowly. Got that? Then play the fourth string and third string together on the ninth fret bar together. So now we've got this. Then play the fifth string and fourth string together at the ninth fret. Then put that third finger up to the 12th fret on the fifth string and play it along with the barred finger on the fourth string. Then put that finger down, third finger down to 11th fret and play it again with the fourth string at the ninth fret. Right? So now the whole thing very slowly. Finally, you play the bottom E string again, okay? Right, so that's the intro, okay? And you play that quite a few times in the song, actually. So, song starts like that, so we do. Don't let me F sharp minor. I'm not playing a bar chord, as you can see. You'll see why in a second. You can play a bar chord if you like, but the way I'm playing it for my single arrangement, a single guitar arrangement, I'm playing a simple F sharp minor, barring the second fret of the third, second and top E string, and then the fourth fret of the fifth string and the fourth string. Okay, so don't let me down. So I'm trying to play that bit that's on the record there, okay? So what you've got to try and do is, so you want the top E string at the second fret, and then the open top E string, then back again, then the second on the second string, and then to top E string again, and then the second on the top E string. So that's what I'm playing, but what I'm doing I'm trying to do it with some double notes. So don't let me down. Okay, so what I'm doing there is I'm starting off with that double stop with the bar. Okay, so double stop, first two strings off, so it's alright, so it's that's a single note on that second fret of the second string there. So, don't let me down. And you can go F on the last one. You can do the chord if you like. All right. So it's double stop, open, top two strings open, again, then the top E string. It's hard to explain this, but because it's a feely thing. So that's the second on the second, open top E string, for finishing up on the second on the top E string there. So, but in the chord it's don't let me down. Right, lots of double stops going on in there, just mainly taking this first finger on and off. Practice it, I'm sure you'll get it. So, from the beginning. Don't let me down. And then what I do is, I like to make this a little bit more subtle than it is. A lot of people just keep playing the F sharp minor, but I like to play F sharp minor. What I like to do with this is, you've got your F sharp minor, and then what you do is you just lift the bar off and just play the first finger as only playing the second on the third there. So you've got an open second string and an open top E string. 5 down to 1 should sound like that. So it goes, don't let me down. When it goes, don't let me, I like to do 3, don't let me E down. Okay, got that? So, don't let me, F sharp minor, down, riff. Then this F major, F sharp minor 7th. Don't let me, E, down, riff. So you just play the once on the E, down. Then you play the riff again. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. And then you just back to the E. Don't let me, F sharp minor again, down. Don't let me down. And it finishes on that one this time. No bottom E string, just finishes on that. Okay, then it goes into nobody ever loved me like she does. And what I like to do on this is to play the F sharp minor 7th up here. You can imagine it's a minor shape on a bar chord, but I'm only playing the first bar in the first 5 strings myself on the 9th fret. Then you make a minor shape and take a pinky off. Okay, so you've got a minor 7th, F sharp minor 7th now. So that's a bar on the 9th fret, second finger is playing the 10th fret of the second string, third finger is playing the 11th fret of the 4th string. Pinky is off, and what I do with that is when you go into this where it goes nobody ever loved me like she does, I put my pinky on the 12th fret of the top E string there, and then take it off and then put it back again. So it's on, Nobody ever loved me like she does. Oh, she does. Oh, she does. Alright, and when she goes down to does, I like to play this chord. It's an E flat, it's an E major 7, sorry, E major 7th. And it's basically lots of open strings, but first finger playing the 4th fret of the 3rd string, third finger playing the 6th fret of the 5th string, and pinky playing the 6th fret of the 4th string, the D string, open bottom E string, open 2nd string, open top E string. Alright, so nobody ever loved me like she does. Oh, she does. Yes, she does. And what I do is just a very quick E major 7th, and then I'm playing an E sus4. That's an E chord with the pinky on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then off. So nobody ever loved me like she does. Oh, she does. Yes, she does. And just repeat that whole thing. And if somebody loved me like she do me, oh, she do me. Yes, she does. Don't let me down. So it's exactly the same as usual, right? Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. It stops there again, then it goes into this bridge section. I'm in love for the first time, E chord, first time. Don't you know it's going to B7 place? Stay there. It's a love that lasts forever. It's a love that has no past. Don't let me down. And then obviously there's a bit more, but it's exactly the same to play as what we've just gone through, just a bit more of the same, yeah? So let's go through this middle section again. So when you come out of the Don't Let Me Down, and you do the last final Don't Let Me Down, don't let me down. I'm in love for the E first time. Don't you know B7? It's a love that lasts forever. It's a love that has no E past, and immediately played a riff. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. And there you have it, boys and girls. My single guitar arrangement for Don't Let Me Down by the Beatles. Hopefully that made sense to you. Any questions, please just comment and I'll try and get back to you. Okay? Thanks very much for watching and listening. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.